How to lose 2 pounds in a day? Are you absolutely happy with your body? If so, congratulations. If your answer is, not really, then you can relate to the concern of 91% of American women who are unhappy with their bodies. Extra weight is something no one really minds losing. Click thumbs up if you agree. We tried different things on our way to a slimmer body. Regular workouts at the gym seem like the best way to go, but many of us often lack time and motivation to do it. Well, weight loss surgery is a bit too radical for most people. What do we have left? Dieting. If you are a bit skeptical right now, been there, done that, we are sure you have not tried the diet we are going to tell you about. It is simple, affordable, and most importantly, effective. Could you ever imagine lemonade could be so powerful at helping you lose weight? Watch this video till the end to find out what you should do to make it work for you. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. It will not only make you feel better, but help you lose weight fast. 2 pounds a day, to be more precise. Studies have proven lemonade actually helps in burning fat. The mono diet based on it is also known as Master Cleanse. It first became popular in the 1940s, and it is still working its magic. If you want a good example of what you can look like with this diet, here is one. Beyoncé. She lost 20 pounds in 10 days thanks to Master Cleanse. See, she was supposed to play the slimmer, younger version of herself in Dreamgirls. Her talent and looks are indeed the dream for many people, aren't they? This superstar is not alone in her preferences. Lemonade also helps Naomi Campbell and Jared Leto to lose all the extra weight they gained due to various reasons. Jared Leto, actor and lead singer of 30 Seconds to Mars, for example, had to gain 62 pounds to play Mark David Chapman in Chapter 27. Once the filming was over, he wanted to go back to his normal weight fast. Master Cleanse helped him with that. One important note. Just like any diet, this one has both benefits and disadvantages. And you can only do the big cleanse 3 to 4 times a year for a minimum of 10 days and up to 40 days. Following this diet will make you lose up to 3 to 4 pounds a day for the first 4 days, and then around 1 pound a day. So the average weight you lose daily for the duration of the diet will be 2 pounds. Now, let us take a look at the benefits the lemonade diet has. Number 4. It cleans your body of toxins. Yes, it can purify your body and help you get rid of toxins, which accumulate in any part of your body. There are 689 types of toxins, and they are really bad for you. And it is worse than just making you fat. Fatigue and headaches, muscle pain, skin reactions, irritability, and stubborn weight gain? Saying goodbye to that can be achieved if you clean your system of toxins. Lemon juice is good at that, but it is not its only benefit. Number 3. It will boost your immune system. It is no secret lemons are one of the best natural sources of vitamin C. Yes, that vitamin which you were taught to take in good amounts to protect yourself from all evil, or at least regular colds. It is indeed important to take enough of it to strengthen and boost your immune system. Our body loses vitamin C in certain amounts every day, and lemon juice will do great at restoring the balance. Number 2. It will aid your digestion. Lemons are something outstanding. They are not only rich in vitamin C, but also in citric acid. It stimulates stomach acids and enzymes which are essential for digestion. So, they help solve any digestive problems you might have and boost your metabolism. Number 1. It will balance your blood sugar levels. Controlling sugar levels is something not many of us care about until we have problems because of it. In the long run, ignoring it can cause more than diabetes. Uncontrolled blood sugar can prevent blood supply to your kidneys, eyes, and even the heart, so you'd better keep it under control, and lemon juice will be of help. Every metal has its reverse, and lemon juice is no exception. As good as it sounds, it can also have some disadvantages for you if you abuse it. Number 3. Lack of concentration. You might start experiencing fatigue, headaches, and lack of concentration. It could happen because of the draining of toxins from your body and the restriction of calories you get. Number 2. Short-term effect. The lemonade diet is first and foremost an intestinal cleaning and not a weight loss diet, so it will help you lose pounds quickly, but the result will not last for a long time. Number 1. Your body can go into fat storage mode. If your body is not used to losing weight so quickly, and it most certainly isn't, it will be stressed. You know it does not like to starve, so once you go back to your normal diet, it might start storing fat. Okay, now that you know all the pros and cons of the lemonade diet, let's get to the most important part. Here is how and what you should do. You are going to need 8 cups of water, juice of 6 lemons, half a cup of honey, a few ice cubes, 10 mint leaves. Heat the water but do not let it boil. It should be no hotter than 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Add all the ingredients to it and put the mixture in the refrigerator for a few hours. Strain the mixture, and so it is done. As you drink it, add 1 ice cube to each glass. It will make your body consume more energy to warm the cold drink. Start your day with the lemonade drink. Take a glass of it 30 minutes before breakfast. It will be your snack in between breakfast and lunch and dinner. You will finish your daily diet with it 2 hours before going to sleep. How to make it really work, clean your body of toxins, and start losing 2 pounds a day? You should follow these simple rules. Number 5. Remember that water is your best friend. It is extremely important that you drink at least 64 ounces of water a day to prevent dehydration. Number 4. Divide your food into smaller meals. Instead of having 3 big meals a day, divide your food into 5 smaller meals. It will give your stomach the feeling of fullness and you won't want to snack on unhealthy stuff. Number 3. Pick the right food. Make sure you focus on lean proteins: meat, fish, chicken, eggs, dairy products, beans, soy foods, nuts, and seeds are rich in them, and vegetables. Number 2. Count your calories. Keep track of how many calories you get every day. The number should be no more than 1,200 calories. It means you can get 5 meals of 250 calories. Number 1. Do some exercise to supplement the diet. Try doing something active you really enjoy. Bicycling and swimming also count as physical exercise, but they can be way more enjoyable than intensive workouts at the gym, right? It is important that you get ready for the detox, both mentally and physically. You can see your regular doctor and discuss your plans with them. The night before you plan to start the lemonade diet, you can take herbal laxative tea. Take a saltwater bath on the first morning of your new, healthier life. Remember to follow the rules we have shared and prepare the right lemonade following all of the instructions with all of the ingredients. Finally, when you are done with the diet, do not go crazy and start eating everything all the time. It will not do you any good. We were happy to share this diet plan with you. The lemonade diet will help you eliminate toxins, cleanse your digestive system and kidneys, purify the cells throughout the body, get rid of unhealthy waste in your muscles, and make your bloodstream better. And of course, it will be great help in losing pounds quickly and painlessly. We hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If this video gets 50,000 likes, we'll share more dieting secrets. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel not to miss any useful updates. Stay on the bright side.